I finally made it. Just looking up. Fugazi. He doesn't even have a. Alright, anyways, I ain't even talking about that, but the real deal. Like, this gonna be my best, one of my best PCs. Shout out Aura. You know, Mid-Town. Let's go, baby. Let's go mid. No, mid. Yes, sir. Nice best in this hole. Let's go. Let me see if this is a good angle. Yeah, perfect angle. No more games, none of that, bro. Finally, it's here. Like, shit, bro. All my days, it's here. All my days. Just got here. Just got off work, tired as fuck. Been streaming after this. Damn. I'll show my address. That's what it first gave me. Power cord turn on. Let's go. Pre-builds are just as good as homemade builds. Porn disc. I'm really watching them. Let's take it off. Let's get it. Filter. I try to touch my bed, dude. Got work. Oh my god. Damn. Chat. Look at it. G4 RTX. Oh my days. Just wait till I put it in action. God, looks amazing. My first official roll. This is my official PC. Right there. I'm gonna give y'all a setup reveal too. Oh, let's go. You know, rate the setup to 1 to 10. Spice got out, slime out. Let's go. But this is what the setup look from the back. Right here. So yeah, listen, like, look at this thing, fucking monster. It's called fucking Aura, bro. Best PC on the block. RTX in that hoe. Oh my, Force in that hoe. Oh my, damn. It's all my PCs right there. Don't mind that. Pizza for life. Let's go. But yeah, let's turn it on. We're gonna make this bad boy work in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my fucking god, bro. Like, what the fuck could it be? Hold on. Let me try it. this. Five, four, three, two, one. Oh my God. It's on. Oh, that breeze feel good. Oh my God. Looks amazing. Chat, we